Hello there, welcome to the course called Azure Pipeline and App Center for Xamarin Product. My name is Alok Kumar and having 40 plus years of experience in software development industry. I worked on various job profiles that include software developer, team lead, project lead, and my current profile is software development manager. I worked and delivered more than 15 plus projects and products for mobile, web and Windows platform. In this course, I will start first the comparison between the manual publishing our app on Google Play Store or iOS or App Store, and then we will go to what the pain we face when it's the same manual process will repeat every month, every week or entire course of the year, or whenever your product or app you maintaining for your customer. Then we will show you how the Azure Pipeline and App Center saves your life and time and increase your productivity, that will focus on development instead of focusing on your deployment and processing, because same repeated work that might be came and throw some error, and that will kill your entire time of whatever time you mentioned. Then we will have introductions and all the services offered by Azure DevOps, that includes Azure Pipeline, Azure Opus and all the stuff. So as you know, the primary focus for Azure DevOps is on Azure Pipeline and Azure Repos. So in this entire course, we will be more discussing and talking and showing you on Azure Pipeline things. I will explaining you Azure Pipeline architectures, how it works in the background for any pipeline, either for the web, native Android, native iOS, or any type of a mini stack, a single stack app. So what happens when you task run sequentially, what kind of logs it shows, everything will be covered in this architecture section. Then we'll be showing you the Xamarin pipeline for Android and apps, and we'll explain you the sequentially and actions and each syntax one by one. Then we will compare the pipeline for Azure and Android with the basic task. Then we will talk about the major important pipeline task for Xamarin Android and Xamarin iOS, that will help you to understand what kind of sequence to have. Then we will have a manual deployment process for an Android app, where we will be able to learn and create key file, then how it's import and how export. This all will cover. Then we'll talk about a relationship between the signing key, upload key and all this stuff. We will sign the app manually with the help of key file. Then we will create the app on Google Play console. So in this exercise or in this course, I will be showing you on the live portal of Google Play as well as Apple App Store Connect and developer portal to create your certificates, provisioning profiles and app ID bundle, and also explaining you the relationship between each of these sections, that will understand the in-depth knowledge about each component or section, how they are related and associated. Similarly, talk about the test flight App Store, how the signing of IPA file will help and do. Then we will also publish the app, iOS app, manually as well as with the help of Azure Pipeline. Then we will also talk about the App Center, what kind of services it offers, how it works, what things happen in the background. We'll focus more on distributed App Center services. There I will be showing you the relationship between each, what kind of services it offers, what thing you need to do to perform, and we will able to make a connection between the stores from App Center, either for Google or the Apple App Store from App Center. Then we will have create the Android pipeline for your Xamarin Android projects. There we will add tasks one by one sequentially and explaining you in depth and what parameter require. So what parameter settings require to perform particular task. Everything will be covered in this section. Similarly, we will create for the pipeline for the Xamarin.iOS app, where I will show you what tasks need to perform, what tasks need to add in the sequentially one by one, and what parameters and input values required for this task. Then we will also talk about some advanced topics like extension for Azure DevOps, how it helps you when if you don't find any task inside the task assistant in pipeline section, then you can visit the extension for Azure and find your task, or you can also create your extension and register and get from there. Another thing also, apart from this, each section have assignments that will help you to perform the task and get to know your own way to do the work activity. Downloadable materials for you and some external useful links, that some references that will help you to make your understanding of those particular topics very clear. So let's start the course. So enroll the course and get the full benefit of this course. Thank you.